Whew, that was hard to do. Alright. The point of that was I wanted to do a video of just straight what it is like for me when I go out alone without filming and what I do without you guys with me. And the whole reason I started graffiti was kind of a therapy for myself. It was somewhere there was a way to have some time alone to think and just do something that relaxes me and something I enjoy doing. So I just wanted to have that aesthetic feel of what I started doing graffiti for and why I started doing graffiti. And I wanted to give you guys that aesthetic feel too and bring you along for just a normal night of me walking back home and enjoying the city streets at a later time when there's not as many people out. God damn it. There we go. But tagging to me, walking around and catching tags alone without any worries is a therapy to me. It's how I decompress and it's how I relax at the end of the night, and it's just a way for me to you know, get in my own head and just think about the day and think about what I want to do tomorrow and all that shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Fucking goofy motherfuckers. Crazy motherfuckers. I love Seattle. Getting that fist pump on. But yeah, I enjoy walking around by my lonesome and just catching some tags on my way back and just thinking about the day, thinking about tomorrow, what I want to accomplish, and thinking about what I accomplished today and what I should be grateful for in my life and all that stuff. And that's how I keep a positive attitude, and that's how I have such a positive attitude, because I'm constantly reminding myself of all the blessings I have and all the great things that happen to me. All the great things that happen to me. And everyone, if you don't already do that, should do that, because it will help you keep a much more positive mental attitude, and it'll help you greatly. Just every night before you go to bed, think about what happened during the day that you are grateful for and that you are appreciative of, and remind yourself that not only bad things happen to you. Humans naturally look toward the bad shit and kind of block out what's good, because we naturally look for what's going to cause us danger. I was reading this in a magazine, and we never think about the good. So I always try to remind myself what I have that is positive. And yeah, that was really hard for me not to talk to you people that might be watching this or might not be. I wanted to say every single I've gotten really good at talking to the camera. It was hard for me to think of shit to say before, and now I can't stop thinking of shit to say. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Ooh, yeah, gooey good shit. You can see the sparkles in that really good. Anyway, peace.